Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Squarespace domain to Wix in 2024. Of course, this will allow you to use your custom domain name with your Wix site. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide and you will be good to go. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you can use this if you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Make sure to open both your Wix and Squarespace. So go square like space.com, hit the enter button. So if it's your first time, basically, of course, you'll be taken to this page. As you can see, kind of the same page. Click on login to log in into your account. If you have an account, you can log in using Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you don't have an account, click on create an account at the top right corner. You'll be able to create a new account. You can use a normal option, Google, Apple, Facebook, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. The same will be for Wix. If it's your first time, you'll find the login option here or get started to create an account or login if you have an account to log in into it. So for me, for Wix, I'll click on login because it keeps logging me off, not like Squarespace as you can see, or I'm always logged in. So I can just go here and access my dashboard. For Wix, I'll just try to access my Wix, of course, account right away so I can have access to the dashboard. So as you can see, yeah, right here. So the first thing that I'll need to do, simply go to my Squarespace and verify my domain. So I can go here to the stop option, domains, and click on that. And here, as you can see, for me, I have no domain yet. So first of all, you can get a domain first of all. Of course, if you're looking to transfer the domain from Squarespace to Wix and you don't have a domain yet, make sure to not get a domain here. You can simply just go and get it on Wix right away. But if you want to have it on Squarespace and you want just connect it to Wix to use it on Wix, you'll be able to use it, or you simply just go here and click on get a domain. And after that, of course, make sure to type the domain that you want to get. So, example for me here, just type omexcess.maybe.com, something like that. Let's hope we find it. So it does not seems available. What about tester as an example? Tester. So yeah, it seems available. So I'll just go and click on it. As you can see, you can get more if you want to. I'll just go for me and click on continue to checkout. So here, as an example, so here, as you can see, registration terms, ensure a domain ownership, and look in the current price for the number of years selected by choosing a multi-year terms. So as you can see, domain, here is it, and you can choose how many years do you want to have. So for the first year, you will get eight like dollar discount, but if you get more years, you'll have to pay $20 for each year. As you can see, even if you get 10 years, no discount, like just $20 flat. So you can click on save and continue, fill up all the registration information, address information, payment information, pay for it, and it will become yours. You'll find it here on your Squarespace like domains. So now, as I said, or if you already like own one and you would just want to transfer it to Wix, you can simply just go here and click on transfer a domain and enter the domain that you want to transfer that you own. As an example, which is maybe the one that we try to get, which is omen like tester maybe.com. Hit the enter button. For me, as you can see, it will find isn't registered, but for you, they will get you through the instructions on how to basically do it. So other than that, as example, if you already have it to your Squarespace, you want just connect it to your Wix website. Of course, you will need to verify the domain ownership in Wix. How to do that? Basically, you can navigate into the settings as an example here. And once you go into the settings, so of course not the workspace settings. So basically here as an example, just go to billing and subscription. Yeah, and click on domains here. So we can access the domain section. Of course, as I said before, if you still did not get or you don't have a domain in Squarespace, you're just gonna want to get it in Wix, you can do that by clicking on buy here. As you can see, let's even check like the price of it, like the same domain name. So let me just check Omix as example tester.com and check how much is the price on Wix. So yeah, let's just click on get it as an example. So as you can see here on Wix, you can simply upgrade to a better plan on Wix and get like even the domain for free. with a 1 year for free. So you'll get a lot of features on Wix and even get this for free. And you can of course upgrade whatever site you want. Let's say example, I'll upgrade this site. I'll just show you like how much it is as example. So if you want to upgrade as example, it seems like this will work $7. You can even pay this as example, or if you want more features. And as you can see here all the features that it comes with it. So depending on whatever you want. So as you can see, all of them comes with a custom domain and free domain for 1 year. So even if you get the lights, it's gonna be good. So I'll just go back in here. Yeah, leave. I don't need it anymore. So for me, I'll just go back here to domain. As we said, for us, we'll just go and click on connect to connect that domain. So just go back here and click on connected domain that you already own. As you can see, even if you want to connect it, you will need to upgrade your site with a premium plan to connect your domain. So again, you'll come to the same option where you have to go and upgrade your plan on a specific site and to connect that. So if you don't have an upgrade yet, make sure to go and get an upgrade so you can connect it. Once you connect it, of course, basically they'll give you some DNS records and they'll tell you, of course, to go and change those DNS records on your Squarespace. So if you go here to Squarespace on domains, you'll find the manage option. Click on this manage option and enter those DNS records that they'll tell you and update them, of course. Usually it's going to be CNAME records that Wix will provide. So you can go back here to DNS records, change or update those CNAME or DNS records. And after adding those, you can go back here. Once you change them, you'll come back here. You find the verify option. Click on verify, and you can simply Wix will verify the ownership of that domain. Once verified, you can set your Squarespace domain as primary domain for Wix. You can choose the website that you want to connect into it, and it should be connected. You can test the connection by typing the domain name wherever you want on a browser and see if it's going to take you to the website that you have on Wix. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.